This one's for the girlies. Hello, my name is Rachel and welcome back to my channel, Roam with Rach. In this video, I'm going to be sharing things that I think women should be bringing when they go traveling, specifically if they're solo traveling. Now, I am someone who loves to travel and I'm very good at packing and I'm very good at picking up things along the way that make traveling easier and better, and things that people always forget to bring as a woman. These things range from safety to convenience, but all of them are things that I think women need to bring when they go traveling. So let's get into it. The first thing is a basic one, but it is a mirror. Now, there is nothing worse when you can't find good lighting or a good mirror. I like that this mirror can stand up, and I like that it gives me something that I can look at that's up close, because I like to do my makeup a little more close to the mirror so I can see what's going on, as I'm sure a lot of women like to do. Something that I've seen some women do is they actually bring those big mirrors with lights on them. So if you're worried about lighting in certain situations, that would be a good idea as well. But for me, this one works just fine. Obviously, this isn't just for women, but just people who like to wear makeup. So anyone who likes to wear makeup and maybe needs a close-up mirror, bring a mirror, don't forget a mirror. Next thing I recommend bringing is nipple covers. Now, there are so many shirts you're gonna be wearing when you're traveling that maybe you wanna be comfy and not wear a bra for, but you also don't want people seeing your nipple, okay? So I love these nipple stickers. These ones are from the brand Nippy that I've been using lately, and I really like them. They can be washed under soap and water, so they can keep being reused. Get like different shades depending on your skin tone, but I like them a lot, and I always go traveling with them now, so that when I'm wearing a no bra shirt, if I still wanna have a little bit of coverage, I have it. The next thing I would recommend bringing is a makeup removing wipe. This one's from a brand called Erase Your Face, and I love these. I use them all the time at home too. If you know me, you know that I'm a skincare girly, and the actual makeup removing wipes are really not good for your skin. And so this is just a simple cloth. It's the microfiber towel that actually gets in and removes your makeup. You just have to rinse it under water. And so because you're just putting water on your face with this cloth, it's not bad for your skin. It's not gonna make you break out. Highly recommend. It's also really quick drying, and it's less liquids in your bag, and it's so easy to fit in to a bag. I really recommend that all women travel with a makeup removing cloth. The next thing I recommend all women bringing is a personal safety alarm. So this is essentially an alarm that can go off whenever you need it. Essentially, if you pull this lever, it makes like the loudest noise ever. And this is really good because when you're alone, I feel like people who want to, you know, do bad things to women might try to grab you when no one else is looking, when there's no sound, there's no trace. But this kind of gives you a little bit of safety and a little bit of comfort knowing that if someone tries to do something like that to you, you can sound an alarm to get someone else's attention so that they can help you. I also like this one because it's got a flashlight, so you can use a flashlight as well whenever you are in need. And yeah, just super helpful and good to have on you. Something also that I saw someone talk about recently is that they carry a can of spray paint with them. Now, I know this might be like challenging while you're traveling, so if you're watching this video and you're already traveling somewhere, maybe go to the local, you know, paint store or grocery store, because they're essentially talking about if you spray paint someone, if they get it in their eyes or their mouth, they have to go seek medical attention. And then if you spray it on their clothes, it's going to be hard to remove. So it's kind of like a walking target of being like, that person is the person who attacked me or tried to assault me. Something to think about. I love being a girly and thinking about these things. But yes, I always have a personal safety alarm with me when I'm traveling. And also I keep it in an accessible place. So I'm not like fumbling around digging for it in the bottom of my bag. It's right where I need it to, you know, should I need it. The last thing that I recommend women travel with is period underwear. Now, I use a menstrual cup. If you want to learn more about menstrual cups, I made a whole video on it a couple years ago, so I'll link it there. But period underwear is just the best thing ever. Low waist, it's easy to slide on should you need a backup liner, and it's just the better option because they're so much more comfier than pads. Traveling with period underwear is 10 out of 10. I literally don't go on trips without my period underwear. That is 5 things that I recommend all women bring when they go traveling. If you like this video and you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Roam with Rach. But that's all, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.